Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this one we're covering never events data. Now before I show you the data, I just want to show you how difficult it is to get the data out of the source. So I'm just downloading the latest file now. As you can see, the data is in PDF format. Let's scroll down a bit more. Here it is. I have actually requested to have it in Excel format so it's easier to import, but basically we've been told no. So one of our staff has the unenviable job of copying this data out into Excel ready to be imported, and another one has the equally unenviable task of checking that data before it's loaded to make sure there's no mistakes. Anyway, here is the data. We've got data going back to March 2014, 54,000 rows of data. These are the tables, and I've queried them here. So never events by healthcare provider. You can see there's the data here and category of event, and I'll just there's not that many, I'll just page down so you can see the types of categories. So there's most of them, and there's the rest. So pause the video to have a good look at that. Never events by month, and here's the never events by type. That's the total never events for the year ending, but because we load the data every month and it comes out, you can always retrospectively work out how many events there were per month by taking the latest one and then minusing the previous month's data. Here's the category event types. There's a page down there, and again, so pause the video to have a read of that. And then we've got the individual event types here. There's a page down these because it's not too many. All the things that shouldn't happen but do. Actually, there's too many there. Right, ask for a free trial and you can see the rest of the list of things that should never happen. Thanks.